Hello guys, welcome to TN Entertainment TV. If you're new guys, please subscribe. On number 10 we have Bontle Modiselle, who is an actress and she's also known for her dancing moves. Bontle Modiselle is 31 years old. On the number 9 spot, we have Sipesihle Ndaba, who is known as Mazet for a role on Gomorrah. He's only 23 years old. On the number 8 spot, we have Nomza Mambata, who was known for a role on Sibaya. Nomza Mambata is 32 years old. On the number 7 spot, we have Matshepo Sikhopi, who is known for a role on the river as Dimpo. Matshepo is 23 years old. On the number 6 spot, we have Buntu Petse, who is known as Nontle on Generation. Buntu is 25 years old. On the 5th spot, we have Natasha Tahane, who is known for a role on Skeem Saam, and she's also acted on the Blood and Water series, and she's also known for dating Thembiko Siloj. On the 4th spot, we have Buhle Simon, known as Matidiso, for a role on Mubango. Buhle Simon is 32 years old. On the 3rd spot, we have Lungelo Mpangase, who is known for a role on Iostella. Lungelo is 26 years old. On the 2nd spot, we have Cindy Mahlangu, who is known for a role on The Queen. Cindy Mahlangu, she's 25 years old. And she's also known for being dating Bafana soccer star Bongani Zungu. Even me, I'm thinking of becoming a soccer player so that I can date hot girls. On the 1st spot, we have Thuli Mpongolo, who is also known for a role on Generation as Namhla. Thuli Mpongolo is 26 years old and she's also acting on SABC1 show Makoti. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.